Welcome to a new test and teardown video. This time it's a very special oscilloscope. So this company is called Telonic and it's an oscilloscope called Model 122. It looks like we got two channels input, just like a normal oscilloscope, right? AC, DC, how many volts per division, DC up, offset and all that kind of stuff. And then we can select channel 1 or channel 2 and then alternate. Okay, fantastic. So that is the horizontal. I don't know about the sweep time and triggering and all that kind of stuff. There is no really such thing, right? We got gain, we got position and intensity, and that is more or less all we got. And I am lucky this one got the nice grid here. So this is an 11-inch magnetic deflection screen. So I guess the horizontal is just running, I don't know, mains frequency. I don't know, really. Maybe it's sweeping some, maybe it's for audio, left or right or something like that. Or maybe it's for something TV related, because look here on the top of this nice little shade, I find this really funny sticker here. And see, it looks like TV channels, different channels and frequency lists. We got all the different things here with all the different television things. We got dB tables and so forward, right? But maybe this is just a sticker for something completely different. They just put it here for easy access, right? Because it doesn't really seem like it has something to do with this unit, really. There is a little bit more here on the back. It's somebody wrote this. Scope horizontal. Yeah, it says H input, so I kind of, or is it output? Now I'm a little bit AC or DC. We got set axis input, so that means blanking, right? And we got amplitude, pulse marker, polarity, and vertical output. Power supply, and what is that? That is the line voltage selector. So you unscrew this and move it, and then it probably reveal 115 right here, right? It's made in Japan, so it gotta be fantastic, right? Yeah, I better open and inspect before I power this up, right? So we are now inside. So it looks like a classic black and white CRT. Of course, it can be any color like orange, green, or white. I look so much forward to see if whatever color it is. So you've got those deflection adjustment magnets. So you can both rotate them and move them and all that. And that will handle the symmetry of the picture and all that kind of stuff. So that's quite fascinating. It's, of course, magnetic deflection. So that means we're not talking about an ultra-wide bandwidth. Down here we got high voltage supply. It looks like a little module with an external transistor for the oscillation. So all that is just running on its own little thing. Mains transformer is down there. We've got a little circuit board here doing some input, output, amplifier, something handling amplification. We got all power transistors. Yeah, we got a lot of power transistors here on this piece of aluminium here. And that is, of course, because it's magnetic deflection. So we need 4 power transistors, and they are here. 2 big ones and 2 smaller ones. Also got another deflection power driver here. And then we got the input and alternating sweep stuff. It's full of trimmers and all that stuff. It's fully written here. What is this and what is that doing? So that's great. I should probably be able to get this up and running. Yeah, got the input AC/DC switches. I'm a little bit worried about those capacitors here. They don't really look so good. This is a little crack perhaps. Yeah. That will be the input. See, polarity. They're very difficult to. So if you click them in, this is normal, otherwise it's inverted. All right, so I feel like putting everything here in the middle. This knob is not right. I need to adjust the knob here, right? I thought we had some missing those little plastic things you stick into the knobs, right? But that is not the case. So there's actually another, see, adjustment here in the middle. And then, oh, I didn't know that. So the gain is here, and the phase is using a screwdriver. Interesting. And I was of course able to fix this one. I just had to pull it up and then move it. Okay, right. So here goes all or nothing. Buckle up. Mains is applied and nothing bad happened. Let's pull this. And it's 30 watts. I am ready to pull it in. So this is an, oh, look at that, there's a dot. Oi, 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 this could go bright. So here's our little tiny dot. The idea is you adjust it as weak as possible. And I got input. No, I didn't. 1, 1. Okay, here's, I put in 100 Hertz horizontal and 105 Hertz vertical, just to see if I can get any response. I don't know if you can see this. Let's move it a little bit closer here. See? And then it's also seeing, we also see something that is moving. So here is, yeah, all that seems to be working. So this is, gain. Oh, we got a potentiometer here that needs a little bit of service. Oop, what happened? Where's my, what happened? Here we go, we are back. So this one is definitely absolutely dodgy, and then picture goes away. What happened? Why is it not doing something like this? Oh, this is a screen with really nice afterglow. But I think I need to clean the potentiometers. But there's a big chance I will be able to get something out of this, right? See? This one is just completely trashed. What the heck? It is so bad. And if I crank it all the way up, it goes away. Oh man. And then here we got the position. Alright, so there's something here. Let's go fix. So this is real nice. Look at that. There was a switch on the back to change between AC or DC. And because I'm using quite a low frequency, then it just didn't work. Still, I have the problem here with this potentiometer here, but it's getting a little bit better the more I work with it. And also the position here is definitely a little bit dodgy. So here's my position up and down. I bet if I screw a little bit around with this one. Nope. Oh. So there's nothing. Why can't I move it? up and down is this one, right? Yeah, I think I got this pretty nice. It's definitely unstable, but it's working. It's using 34 watts at the moment, and it's completely silent. So this is 100 hertz, and it's occupying more or less the entire screen. What I want to try and do is crank up the frequencies and see what happens. See, this is what is that? This is channel. This is the horizontal. No, this is the vertical, right? So that is what I want to play with. So if I say 1 kilohertz, that is fine, right? And let's crank it up and see what happens. Oh, and then it goes down, right? So that was 10 kilohertz vertical. Okay. Oops. 100 hertz. 100.2 hertz. Yes, exactly. There's also a little problem with this potentiometer here, right? So vertical is that. So let's go to the horizontal and play with that. So this is 100 hertz. 200, 3, 4, 5, 1. Ooh, can you hear that? And then it goes down 2 kilohertz, 3 kilohertz. So horizontal is a problem. It's supposed to run quite slow, but it can also do 1 hertz. Interesting. This is 10 hertz, yeah. Okay, let's go back to 100. Wow, nice. So now we know the frequency ranges. I wanted to try and play with the other channel, but it looks like, see, channel 2 is disabled and nothing happens with channel 2. So somebody definitely modified this unit to only work with horizontal and channel 1. See, nothing happens. So that's just the way it works, or at least the way this one works. So yeah, the color is white with a yellow afterglow. Let me try and turn down the light here so we can see the afterglow a little bit better. Oh, this looks crazy. Why I have so much light in here. Is this better? I was of course able to connect my little XY plotter, and you see it flickers a little bit. It's because I had to adjust down the refresh rate because of the bandwidth of this this oscilloscope here is really not that fast. So you can even see the hyper jumps here, especially if I crank up the intensity here, you can see. It's really nice, the white and then the orange afterglow. Anyway, I think that was more or less what I wanted to show you guys about this really fascinating XY scope. See, now I changed my shutter time as well, and then you see what's going on. But I really can't see this blinking here, but the camera can of course pick it up. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.